Hi guys, it's me, Allan here. Welcome back to Happy Family. Today we got a special surprise. Daddy, we're bringing it in. Yeah, it's, I don't know how to say it. A younger version of you. I'm not old. Wow, that looks like Allan in his glory days. What do you mean? I am in my glory days, honey. Okay, let's get to unboxing my cousin here. Come on, let's get the scissors. We can do anything with the giant scissors. Come on, baby Nikki. This is my cousin, Allan, not Allan. Come on. Giant scissors, we can do almost anything. Okay, here he is. He's much more handsome than Daddy. Ooh, that looks like you in your glory days. I'm still in my glory days. It's the new Allan in town. Come on, come get out of here, buddy. I'm gonna go and cut the rest of this stuff out. Bailey, you better not use those scissors by yourself. This is the new Allan here. Hello, new Allan. This is what he looks like. He's probably on freeze. He's Ryan and Bailey's cousin. I don't know whose idea it was to get him. The new Allan in town. I'm the only Allan here, bud. No, my parents thought you were so cool and decided to name me after you. I'm just a teenager. Yeah, 16 to be a fact. They thought I was cool when I was like 11.
Hey guys, so let's try on your accessories.
They should know I'm the only Allan here in Allentown.
It's not even Allentown, Daddy.
I'm just trying to make an expression here. Oh, that's all for today, folks. Not quite yet, Allan. We gotta look at his accessories. Oh, you're being a bum.
Wait for me!
Okay, cool dude. Oh, nice backpack. Nice sunglasses. Nice water bottle.
Hey, can you take us to the beach? Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so now we're gonna look at Allan's accessories. He got these sunglasses, and then we're gonna look at what's in his backpack. We got a frisbee. Reminds me of the one that came with the Happy Family Allan doll. We got a little phone that came with him. We got some sunscreen. We got his water bottle, because who doesn't love water bottles? Gotta get the towel out. The towel out. I don't think there's anything else left in the backpack. I think that's like basically it. You got these swim shorts, you got blue sandals. Getting a closer look here at the backpack, it's blue and it opens in the inside. Like really nothing in there. There's nothing in there. We got a phone. It got a little bit, got a little clip so it can clip onto his hand. His face reminds me of the original one that they came out with, the 65th anniversary edition of Allan, and he has his sunglasses, and the rest of the stuff can fit in his backpack like so. And that's really it, guys, for today for our cool Allan doll. Wait, you still gotta remember, I'm the coolest here, guys. This is just my modernized cousin. Bye for now, guys, and remember to subscribe.